up everybody, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us out to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Let's jump right in. Today, we got the Hot Wheels Car Culture Modern Classics set, technically number 2. They did the first set about a year ago or in 2018, I'm not quite sure. I'm super excited to be showing you this set today. It's been a long time waiting for this. We got 5 cars to this set. We have the Honda Civic, which we saw in the Fast and Furious last year's set. Brand new to the premium lineup, we have the Subaru Impreza. We have the Nissan Silvia. We have the Volkswagen MK3, which this we already saw in the Hot Wheels set. And then we have the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. This is also a brand new casting. Look at that. This is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to open this off. Let's start with this Honda Civic. Car 1 of 5. Let's look at that card art. This is insane. The ideas that they get for these card arts. Brutally well done. Let's look at the back. You got Modern Classics up there. They didn't put the 2, but we all know it's the second set for this. All showing the 5 cars of this set. General collector information down here. So let's start with this Honda Civic EG. Really nice simple lines. As I mentioned, we've seen this casting debut already in last year's Fast and Furious set. Very quirky. The pink I find goes very well. Very nice Hello Kitty tampos. It just works. Some Japanese writing on the rear panels, 5-spoke, actually these are 6-spoke wheel riders. The headlight and tail light tampos are fairly accented. They did a really good job. All the little details, even on the rear windshield. They have a wiper in the back, part of it. It's actually pretty impressive. It's imprinted within the plastic, so they actually had to make a separate piece for this. It's really great stuff. A car for all you import fanatics. This is one of the top ones. Next up, the Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. We saw this Subaru debut in the mainline in the 2020 A-Case in this Subaru Blue with the mainline plastic spoke wheels. I find these gold wheels, they make this look like an absolute beast. I mean, it looks beefy, looks mean, looks like exactly what you would typically expect out of a Subaru. They even have Subaru writing on the rear license plate for additional branding. The side tampos for turn light signals, really nice tiny details. The tampos in general on the car are very detailed, quite pleasant. It even has detailed door handles, which I do really like. It adds an extra touch to what a premium casting should be and what adds to its justified price tag. Next up, the Nissan Silvia S14. Really great card art over here. They even made sure 14 on the license plate. This is not to be confused with the Fast and Furious edition that they made. It was the S15. The Nissan Silvia S14, not much to this. It's super simple. We've seen the white before, but never like this. This first white premium Nissan Silvia S14 with that signature 14 license plate. It's clean, it's a simple model with a beautiful white metallic pearl paint. Same real riders as the Hello Kitty Honda Civic EG. Nice little detailed exhaust, little chrome pieces. I find the tampos on the rear are superb on this. I got a model that it's slightly down on the right side, as you can see, but they almost nailed all the details on this. Headlights look very good as well. I'm really excited to see what they do with this casting going forward. There's a lot of ideas in mind, and I think they could really use this to make this work. Now next, the Volkswagen Jetta MK3. They released the first casting of this in the Fast and Furious set last year. One of the original ones, Jesse's car, those of you who remember. I think we've known where we've seen this guy before. For those who do not own the first casting or have seen this before, we saw this in the first Fast and Furious, the original Fast premium set. It contained all the hit cars from the first Fast and Furious film. This one mimicking that of Jesse's white car. They remade this one in this bright fire red color. It absolutely looks amazing. There's no other word for it. It's superb. The gray 5-spoke wheel riders. It allows for a perfect blend between a brighter and a darker contrast. The hint of the dark lines on the door panel over on the side body, wheel to wheel, adds that little touch. Without it, I don't think it would give that extra look on this car. Finally, the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. This is such a classic car. Before we rip this open, let's just enjoy this card art. This looks like a typical mobster, gangster car. This is really nice. They did a really nice selection on the wheels. Oh, can't wait. And this does look black, but it's navy blue. It gives you the impression it's black. It's not. Don't be fooled. It is navy blue. This is the feature casting we've all been waiting to see. This Benz is not only brand new for this year, but it's a deep, rich, dark, metallic blue. It's not black, don't get confused. But the team did an incredible job on this. The lines, the curves, they absolutely nailed this one to a T. From the front fascia, it's just superb, it's impressive, it's smooth, it's a typical gangster car, it's vintage. I absolutely love it. There could not have been a better wheel selection for this. Tampos work is great, it's accurate, they got all the right colors in all the right places to make this car stand out, and I think they actually really nailed this. I give a huge props to the Hot Wheels team. I hope to see a lot more cars of this type of genre. It just stands out from the rest of what they typically do. Look, even those lines all around the accents, the windows, the silver, the chrome trimming, it's beautiful. It's one thing, contrast interior, the blue, beautiful. That's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting, everyone. As always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.